ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು, ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು. ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು. ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು, ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾದಾಂತರಂಗ ತಾನೆ, ನಾದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾವಾಂತರಂಗನೇ. ಶಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಕಲೆಗೆ ಮತಿ, ಕಲೆಯಿಂದ ಶಿಲೆಗೆ ಗುಂಚಾರತಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅವನಾಣತಿ, ಒಲವಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಸುಖ ಸಮ್ಮತಿ. ಈ ಲೋಕವೇ ರಂಗಭೂಮಿ, ತಂತಾನೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಪಾತ್ರನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೀವಂತಿಸಿ. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ
A very good morning to all the children of School of India. Today is a special day. And why is it special? Yes, I will tell you why it is special. Today, you ask anybody at your house, maybe it's your aunt, uncle, mom, dad, grandpa, anybody, any grown-up, and you ask them which is the stage of life they want to relive. You know what will the answer be? Yes, they would definitely say that they want to relive their childhood. Yes, you guys are all in this phase of life. The most lovely, warm, cozy, wonderful phase of life, under the guidance of your parents, under the loving care of elders at home, and with all your teachers who support you, and you don't have to worry about anything. So you children, you please decide from today onwards to be more happy and enjoy this phase of life, because it's not going to come back. So here is wishing you on behalf of the management, staff and all the teachers of School of India a very happy Children's Day.
May the love and laughter always stay on every child's face. Happy Children's Day.
Hello, my dear students. The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of the children. We all love you a lot, and each one of you are very special for us.
Let us celebrate this day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood. I extend my warm wishes on this day to all my cuties.
You are the flowers in the garden. You are the stars in the sky. I wish you all happy Children's Day. I wish you all happy Children's Day. You are the light in the darkness. You are the future of the nation. I wish you all happy Children's Day. I wish you all happy Children's Day.
But today, I really want to tell you how much I love you. And I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. You all are my rock stars.
We at SOI are truly proud of the way you have adapted yourself to the trying times with a sense of control, predictability and well-being. On this occasion of Children's Day, my heartfelt wishes for a year full of happiness, playful times and good health.
नमस्कार बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मैं सरिता, आपकी हिंदी टीचर, आपको एक छोटी सी कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ इस बाल दिवस के अवसर पर, जिसका नाम है कोरोना की वजह से। कोरोना की वजह से बीते कुछ दिनों में एक एहसान सा रहा, बीते कुछ दिनों में एक एहसान सा रहा, हर व्यक्ति अपने ही घर में एक मेहमान सा रहा, हर व्यक्ति अपने ही घर में एक मेहमान सा रहा। ज़्यादा नहीं बोल पाए मास्क की वजह से, इसलिए हर व्यक्ति बेजुबान सा रहा। नपा तुला सा था घूमना फिरना, नपा तुला था बाहर जाना, नपा तुला था घूमना फिरना, नपा तुला था बाहर जाना। नपी तुली सी थी पढ़ाई भी, नपी तुली सी थी पढ़ाई भी, इसलिए हर बच्चा कुछ बेईमान सा रहा, इसलिए हर बच्चा कुछ बेईमान सा रहा। बच्चों की तानाशाही में, बच्चों की तानाशाही में, फरमाइश और लापरवाही में, बच्चों की तानाशाही में, फरमाइश और लापरवाही में, हर माँ बाप भी उन खट्टे मीठे पलों में कभी दुश्मन बनकर तो कभी प्यारा सा दोस्त रहा। बच्चों की तानाशाही में, फरमाइश और लापरवाही में, हर माँ बाप भी उन खट्टे मीठे पलों में कभी दुश्मन बनकर तो कभी प्यारा दोस्त सा रहा। बीते कुछ दिनों में एक एहसान सा रहा, हर व्यक्ति अपने ही घर में एक मेहमान सा रहा। धन्यवाद बच्चों, एक बार फिर आपको बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। जीवने बाल्यकालः सर्वश्रेष्ठकालः अस्ति, अतः अस्मिन् समये नवीनविचाराणां स्वागतं कुरु। स्वकृते लक्ष्य निर्धारणं कुरु, लक्ष्य प्राप्ति हेतोः प्रयासरतः भव। अन्ते सर्वेषां सफलता हेतोः अहं वर्धापनं ज्ञापयामि। सर्वेभ्यो बालदिवसस्य हार्दिकी शुभेच्छा। धन्यवादः।
Hey kids, I hope you had a wonderful Children's Day. Being a kid is a very golden moment, so enjoy each minute of it. Je vous souhaite une bonne journée. Au revoir.
नमस्कार बच्चों, आप सभी को आपके अपने दिन बाल दिवस की बहुत 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 शुभकामनाएं। आप लोगों के लिए कुछ लाइनें हैं। बचपन है एक खजाना जो आता है न दोबारा, मुश्किल होता है इसको भुलाना। वो खेलना कूदना और खाना, मौज मस्ती में बल खाना। वो माँ की ममता, वो पापा का दुलार, भुलाए ना भूले वो सावन की फुहार। मुश्किल होता है इसको भुलाना। वो कागज़ की नाव बनाना और वो बारिश में भीगना, वो झूले झूलना और मुस्काना, वो पतंगों का उड़ना। मुश्किल होता है इसको भुलाना। वो यारों की यारी में सब भूल जाना और डंडे से गिल्ली को मारना। वो अपनी पढ़ाई से जी चुराना और शिक्षक के पूछे जाने पर अलग अलग बहाने बनाना। मुश्किल होता है ये सब भुलाना। वो पेपर में रट्टा लगाना और बाद में नतीजे से घबराना। वो दोस्तों के साथ साइकिल चलाना, वो छोटी छोटी बातों पर रूठना और मनाना। सच में मुश्किल होता है ये बचपन भुलाना। एक बार फिर आप सभी को आपके बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते बच्चों, फूलों की तरह महकते रहो, सूरज की तरह चमकते रहो, पंछी की तरह चहकते रहो, तितली के जैसे मचलते रहो, अपनी माता पिता का हमेशा आदर करो और सुंदर भाव को मन में हमेशा रखो। अपनी बचपन में बहुत सारी खुशियां बनाओ। आप सभी बच्चों को मेरी ओर से बाल दिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। सुप्रभातम्। अस्मिन् शुभदिने सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः शुभं भवतु। सर्वेषां छात्राणां कृते बालदिवसस्य शुभाशयाः। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रन्स डे।
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय। लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी।
You are the reason for all our smiles and happiness. Wishing you a very happy Children's Day.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, may I use the washroom? Ma'am, I'm feeling hungry. Can I have my breakfast and then come for the assembly? Oh, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I did my homework yesterday night. I just left it on my table and I forgot it. I'm so sorry. Promise, ma'am, I'll show it to you tomorrow. Ma'am, I'm feeling hungry. Can we have little bit of our snacks now? In 5 minutes, I'll finish. Ma'am, today we have 2 periods of social. If we will finish our work early, can you take us for one period for PE? Yes. Cherishing all these wonderful memories with you all. I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. I feel blessed to serve the future of the nation.
You know one thing? Childhood is all about unlimited fun. Make sure you are creating a beautiful memories to look back when you are going old. Once again, it's the best wishes on Children's Day to everyone.
Good morning, dear children. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. My message for you today is, no matter wherever you go, remember, and a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Waiting to see you all for the Children's Day celebration.
On this special day, I wish you all become happy, successful and powerful individuals of the future world. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
I believe every child, every one of you brings more love into this world. In your shining faces, I see hope. I see a brighter tomorrow. In your radiant eyes, I see the promise of what you will achieve. My dream is to see your dreams come true. I long for the day your achievements will be celebrated by all of us.
Believe in yourself, focus on your aim, develop good qualities like discipline, honesty, and sincerity, which help you excel in your life. Once again, I wish you a happy Children's Day.
There are some things in life that money can't buy, and one such thing is your childhood days. You'll realize all these once you get old. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Good morning, children. I wish you happy Children's Day. I have big good news for you all. Soon we are going to start our offline classes, and I know you all are. In the same, we teachers have prepared a small skit for you all. So sit back and enjoy.
Not good, ma'am. Feeling sleepy. But I should say good and sleep off.
Feeling sleepy? Go, get up. Go wash your face and come.
Oh my god. How did ma'am understand I was yawning?
No dear, I understood. Today is Monday morning now. Go.
I better be quiet.
Did you all finish page number 20? Yes, ma'am. Okay, let me check.
Oh God, I completely forgot. I hope ma'am doesn't ask me next. Oh no, she's here. I can just give a nice excuse.
No excuse.
I had guests at home. But how can I tell ma'am about it?
Yes, yes, very nice. Okay, show it tomorrow, okay?
God, how ma'am is able to hear my thoughts? I'm not opening my mouth also.
Yes, I can hear you. Good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So we have a test, right? Oral test. So question number 1. I see with my dash. Yes, Preeti? One word answer. Eyes, ma'am. Yeah, you can be confident. Let's repeat the answer. I see with my eyes. Let's move on to the next question. Listen to me carefully and raise your hand if you want to answer. The next question is, I taste with my dash.
I should raise my hand so that ma'am will not ask me.
Close your books, children. Yes. Can you tell me the answer there?
I don't know the answer. Oh my God. Now what do I do?
Nothing. You should first learn the answer and then raise your hand. Yes, ma'am. Did you get it? What did I explain just now?
It's so boring and I don't know the answer. What should I say?
It is boring.
No, ma'am. No. What to tell you, ma'am? Actually, I was thinking of playground. I'll get a break and I'll go there. But, ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Thinking about playground?
I think I should apologize. I'm sorry, ma'am. I will concentrate in the class.
It's okay.
Let's run. Come on, time's up. Let's run. The class time's up. Let's go. Let's go out, guys. Come on.
Where? I can hear your thoughts.
यात्रियों कृपया ध्यान दें। टीचर क्रमांक 0000 स्टैंडर्ड 6A अनुराधा एक्सप्रेस शीघ्र ही क्लासरूम नंबर 5 पर आ रही हैं। धन्यवाद।
क्या करे क्या ना करे ये कैसी मुश्किल है, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल ओ मेरे भाई। कि एक तरफ तो उससे प्यार करें हम और उस
Anand, switch on your camera. So sorry. Anand, stand up. Anand, do you think you are still in the online classroom?
No, ma'am.
Then what did you do?
जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवानी फिर ना आए, जवानी फिर ना आए।
What's happening with everyone? Good morning, ma'am. Thank you. You all have forgotten to wish also. How can you forget wishing, children? You all are not in your online class. You all are in offline class. All are stuck in that online mode. Forgot to wish also. Forgot all the basics. Always some or the other galti.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी में कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
By the way, Happy Children's Day.
Oh, thank you,
So, did you see the impact of online classes on everyone, children? Yes, there are advantages also of online classes, right? To name a few, you students, you can wear whatever you want and sit for the classes. Or when you don't know the answer, the teacher keeps taking your name, you don't unmute yourself, you naughty kids. I know everything. But you know what, for teachers also there are some advantages. But now you know what, we've gotten used to this online classes so much that I think it'll be very difficult for us when we come for offline classes, I mean. And we might make mistakes like instead of saying, keep quiet children, we'll say, mute yourselves children. Funny, you know? So, whatever. I just say, whatever the mode of classes, children, online, offline, whatever, just enjoy them, okay? And come back to the offline classes with a bang! Love you all, and happy Children's Day once more. Bye-bye.
This day is very special. I would like to wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day.
Childhood is the best time to learn new things, to set goals for yourself and start working for them. So focus on your aim. May you all forever believe in yourself and follow your dreams. Remember, you all are loved today and forever. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Children's Day emphasizes the importance of showering love and affection to each child. Each child cherishes this day as they get to enjoy it to the fullest. Hope this day empowers each child to that they can become the future building blocks of the nation and can contribute towards the greater benefit of the society. Wishing you all a very, very happy Children's Day.
Hello everyone. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. I want to take this opportunity to express my feelings and my love for you. And last but not the least, East or West, my students are the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. You remember just 5 months back when most of you joined the school. You were all so new to School of India and so nervous. But in this short span, I feel we have developed such a beautiful bond. And for that special bond, I want to tell you all that I love you all so much. You are so precious jewels to me. And on your special day, wish you a great day, and I will be seeing you tomorrow in the celebrations. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, wishing you a very, very happy Children's Day. We are really missing you here in campus. We can't wait to have you all back here. All the teachers would have told you that childhood is the most precious, childhood is the most important, the most memorable part of your life. Yes, it is true, but it is up to you to make those memories. Right? So have fun. You build strong friendships, friendships that last a lifetime, right? Friends who are not just your friends, but your support, your well-wisher. They criticize you also, don't they? Right? So build friendships, build relationships, try out things. You don't know what your skill sets are, right? You figure out. Find out, experiment, try everything. And I'm not just talking about singing and dancing, everything, right? Try your hand at everything. Build your interests, build your personality. Adolescence is when you build an opinion on everything also, right? Make sure it's a healthy opinion. This is also a crucial time for you to set your goals, for you to identify which career that you're going to take up. It's a very crucial time, right? So think about those things. Invest good amount of time in all of those activities. And yes, have fun. Eat ice cream, eat cake, party, have fun, right? These are the memories that you carry with you throughout your life. And do it with the people you love. All right? So have a lovely day and have a wonderful year ahead. And for those students who are taking up the exam, Here is a heartfelt all the best. You people will rock it. There is no doubt about it at all. Right? So all the best. Prep well. Don't be stressed. Be cool. Be calm. Like they say, be calm and ace the exam. All right? Chalo. Tata. Bye-bye.